Tom Yum Media. Hello, welcome to the Tom Yum Adventures channel. If you have been following our previous video, you probably have seen the helmet strap. Today we will try to mount this helmet strap onto the helmet and see how difficult it is. So I guess we will have to put the cords behind. There are these things behind the buckle itself. We have to get the cord through and undo the buckle. Get the cord through the buckle. Whoa, this is pretty hard. Get the cord through the buckle. Dang. How hard can this be? Come on. Yep, it's pretty hard. All right, get the cord through the buckle. Close the first buckle down. And then we work on the second buckle. Wow. Wow, you need really dexterous fingers to do this. Get the buckle open. Get the cord through the buckle. Cord through the buckle. Pull so that it's tight. Pull the cord. Pull the cord. And do the same on the other side. Undo the buckle again. Pull so that it's tightly against the helmet itself. And secure the buckle. This one is still loose. Let's do that one more time. Let's do that one more time. Let's see how it's gonna go. All right. The buckle's down, seems like. All right. I think it's secure. Does it look secure? Nope. This one is still loose. Let's try that again. Undo the buckle, pull it as tightly as you can, redo the buckle. All right, I think this one is okay now, except for this one. Now this one is a little loose. Oh my God, this is difficult. Probably not as bad as the one that you'll have to stick the glue onto your helmet, but still, it is not that easy. So I think we have a nice secure strap. As you can see, it's not bad. It's soft against the helmet because of the rubber behind it, so it will not scratch your helmet. Though it is putting some stress on the rubbering on the helmet itself. Let's put the GoPro together and see how it looks. All right. Secure the GoPro with the pin. Oh Lord. Can't even get the GoPro to get secured on the stupid mount. There we go. Is it in? Is it in? Nope, it is not in. Of course not. Come on, guys. Should not be that hard. There we go. That's it. Undo the secure strap. Press the plastic and redo the strap once the plastic is securely into the buckle. There we go. All right. Finally. And here we are. We've got the GoPro strapped to the helmet without any glue. Hello, and welcome to the channel. I'm the Tom Yum Adventurer. Please leave a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. And please visit the Patreon page. Every little bit helps. See you soon.